everyone, welcome to channel Knowledge for Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with the question. This is your class, is your quantitative aptitude class, and that is your class 258. Head on 257th class of the session in the last classes. This is your arithmetical ability where we have to continue with the simple interest as well. So let's get started with the same, and we had done your 22th question in the last classes. So today we continue with the 23rd question of the session. The question we have here is a sum fetched a total simple interest of rupees 4016.25 at the rate of 9 PC per annum in 5 years. What is the sum? This has been asked in the RRB examination paper. The options are 4462.50, 8082, 8032.50, 8900 and 8925. None of these. Let's get started with the same. So the question we have is the 23rd question. What is the sum? This has been asked in the RRB examination paper. The options are rupees 4462.50. The second is rupees 8032.50. C is rupees 8900. Fourth is 8925. Fifth is E is your none of these. Let's get with the solution here, and that we have to follow. If you are able to, you can solve by your side as well. It's totally up to you. And if you are not understanding, or if you are not able to find out the solution, you can see my solution that we are providing. So principal equals to rupees 100 into 4016.25 9 into 5 401 625 upon 45 8925. That will be the right answer here. Now we go for the next one, which is the 24th question of the session. And the question we have here, the simple interest of X% for X years will be rupees X on the sum of. Options are rupees X, rupees 100 by X, rupees 100X and rupees 100 upon X square. Let's go for the same. The simple interest at X% for X years will be rupees X on the sum of rupees x, rupees 100 upon x, 100x, rupees 100 upon x square. So let's go for the same. That we have sum equals to 100 into SI upon R into T equals to rupees 100 into x upon x into x equals to rupees 100 upon x. That will be the right answer. So 100 upon x will be your B option, and for this case we have an option D will be the right answer. Now we go for the next one, which is the another important question as your 25th question of the session. Let's go for the same. The 25th question we have is rupees 800 becomes rupees 956 in 3 years at a certain rate of simple interest. If the rate of the interest is increased by 4%, what amount will be rupees 800 become in 3 years? The options are 1020.80, 1025, 1052. Data inadequate, none of these. This has been asked in the bank view examination paper. Let's go for the same. Rupees 800 becomes rupees 956 in 3 years. At a certain rate of simple interest. If the rate of interest is increased by 4%, what amount will be rupees 800 become in 3 years? The options are rupees 1020.80, B option is 1025, C option is rupees 1052, D option is data inadequate, B option is none of these. This has been asked in the bank view. So let's go for the same. 25th question of the session. So if you are able to, you can solve as I told you many times. Let's go for the same. We'll go for SI equals to rupees 956 minus 800 equals to rupees 156. So rate equals to 100 into 156 upon 800 into 3, 61 by 2%. New rate equals to 6 1 by 2 plus 4 10 1 by 2. So new SI goes to rupees 800 into 21 upon 2 into 3 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 252. So now new amount equals to rupees 800 plus 252 equals to rupees 1052. This is being the solution. 1052 will have your option C will be the right answer. Okay, now we go for the next question, that is the 26th question of the session. So let's go for the 26th question. The question has been, this is also been asked in the bank PO examination paper. The question is, a certain amount earns simple interest of rupees 1750 after 7 years. Had the interest been 2% more, how much more interest would it have earned? This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. Options are 35 to 45, 350, cannot be determined, and none of these. So 26th question we have, a certain amount earns simple interest of rupees 1750 after 7 years. Had the interest been 2% more, how much more interest would it have earlier? This has been asked in bank PO question paper. Options are rupees 35, rupees 245, rupees 350, cannot determine, and none of these. So let's go for the same here for the solution. So for that, here as you can see, we need to know the SI and principal and time to find the rate. Since the principal is not given, so the data in is inadequate, and data inadequate है, so we can't find out the answer, so cannot determine. That will be the right answer. Okay, so I just write it down here. So if you have gone through with the solution, you will find out that why is that so. So you need to know SI, principal, and time to find the rate. Since the principal is not given, so data is inadequate. Okay, now we go for the next question, that is the another important one. and that the question we have is your 27th question of the session. Let's go for the same. Although the question we have here is being as follows. The question is, in how many years rupees 150 will be produced as the same interest of 8% at the rate 8% as rupees 800 produces in 3 years at the rate for 1/2%. The options are 6, 8, 9 and 12. This has been asked in the RRB examination paper. So let's go for the same 27th question. The question is, in how many years rupees 150 will be produced the same interest at the rate 8% as rupees 800 produce at the rate in 3 years at the rate for 1/2%. This has been asked in RRB examination paper. Options are 6, 8, 9, 12. So let's go for the same. So we'll go for the solution here, and that we have as follows. So here we go. Equals to rupees 800 or rate equals to for 1/2%, which is equals to 9/2%, and t equals to 3 years. Then simple interest equals to rupees 800 into 9/2 into 3/100. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So here this is 9, this is 3, 9, 8, 27, 27, 4s are 108. Okay, now P equals to rupees 150, but SI equals to rupees 108, and R equals to 8%. Then time equals to 100 into 8 on 150 into 8 years. This is equals to 9 years that we have as an answer. And we're going to end up here itself. We'll start dealing with the next question in the next coming class. So stay tuned with us, and please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you.